Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create amazing environments for EFEVE using Unity 3D. Make sure you're using Unity version 2017.3 or newer. Open Unity and start a new scene. Delete your main camera. Open Window, Lighting, Settings. Disable Auto-Generate. Also, disable Baked Global Illumination. Create your scene as you wish. Add colliders to all your game objects. In this case, this model is a single mesh, so we are going to add a mesh collider. The next step is to create the navigation area. So add some cube colliders and resize it to your navigation area. Now bake the nav mesh. Open Window, Navigation. But first, mark your cube as static game object. Go to Navigation. Go to Bake tab. And adjust the agent radius to 0.01. You can tweak the settings and bake it. Save your scene first. Now you can hide the mesh renderer and you can see the nav mesh is baked. The next step is to place the EVE player and EVE hologram game objects. Download EFEVE Unity plugin and import to your project. Open EFEVE folder and place the player game object into your scene. The player object is where the user or the player is going to start in your scene. Adjust the position and the angle. And now place the hologram game object. Also adjust the position and the angle of your hologram. And now it's time to export your environment. Click in your Unity scene, and in the Asset Bundle option, click New. And choose a name for our environment. For example, myenvironment.env. Enter. Now go to EFEVE and export environment. You can see Unity created several files in this folder. EVE exported environments. Right-click and click Show in Explorer. Double-click, and the only file you need is myenvironment.env. The other files you can delete. Now it's time to create a thumbnail for your environment. Create a thumbnail with this size, 512 pixels, and save it as PNG. So, create a new folder and choose a name. Move your file to this folder and also your thumbnail. Rename it as you wish. The thumbnail must have the same name as your env file. Now, place your environment folder in a place it's easy to find. Now you can test your own environment in EFEve. Go to Environments tab. Click the folder icon and find your environment. In this case, in this folder, and click. You can test the hologram position playing an EVE file. Now you are ready to create amazing environments for EFEve.